What's up? I'm here in my garage, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a light fixture in your house yourself and save yourself a lot of money. Join me. Now, the first thing I want to make clear is that I'm not an electrician. I'm barely trained at any of this, and so if you're uncomfortable with electricity whatsoever, don't try anything that I'm going to talk about. But if you take some confidence from watching some random guy on the internet fiddle around with electricity, now I'm going to be as safe as possible, okay? I'm going to take the proper precautions. But if you take heart in that, go ahead and try this for yourself, because it really could save you a lot of money. You know, electricians, they'll come in and they could charge you upwards of $100, $150, maybe even $200 to do something simple like change out a light fixture. And it really is simple. It honestly is about as simple as it's like advanced plugging something in. I coined that. So that's, you know, copyright, don't infringe. And so anybody can do this if you just try. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I got a light fixture I want to swap out. It really doesn't take that much time at all. So let's get into it. So this is the light fixture that I'm going to use. Simple flush mount on the ceiling type of thing, and really simple. So let's open the box and figure out what we got going on the inside. Instructions. Comes with the mounting hardware and some wire nuts. This is the diffuser, I think is what you call it. LED, so you can see all the LEDs and everything. Those are LEDs, circuit board, and there's the meat and bones of it, the electrical components. So you don't want to mess with any of this stuff here. This is what you're going to mess with. This is your ground, so that it's grounded to the metal part, the metal screw there, and then this connects to the ground in your ceiling. And then you got your hot and your neutral. Black is hot, white is neutral, okay? So one thing that I'm gonna do is, instead of using the connectors that it comes with, I have these, they're little push connectors, and you just push the wire in. I'll show you in a minute, and they make life a lot easier, and I like the connection a lot better. So I always keep these aside just in case I run into a situation where I need them and I don't have other types of connectors. So I always set them aside and I'll use them later. right, so there it is. That's how you replace any light fixture, really. They're all pretty much the same. They're very simple. 2 wires plus a ground. Don't overcomplicate it. And honestly, you can save yourself a lot of money. Let's do a quick Google search. Right here you can see that the top Google search says it can cost anywhere between $65 to $175 for the labor, just the labor, not the cost of the actual fixture itself. Now that can range all over the place. You can spend $20 like the one that I bought, or you can spend $2,000 for a really fancy chandelier or something that is going to be more decorative in nature. But you can see right here, bare minimum, I saved myself $65 an hour. So in a lot of ways, I paid myself $65 an hour today. It's great. So I made that amount of money back. That's one way to look at it. And so I just want to encourage you, you can do this. You can make this happen. You can do a light fixture yourself. It's not complicated. Be safe. Follow the protocols. If you're at all weary, contact an electrician, contact a professional. I'm comfortable with the stuff. I probably did something that's not really up to code. For example, I don't think that it's okay to use, they had a jumper wire up in the box that was a white connected to the black. I'm pretty sure that's not up to code, but it's my house. I don't really care. And so if I'm gonna get fined for it, I'll go in there and swap it out. It's not a big deal. But if you notice anything like that and you see it and you wanna correct me, I'd love to hear from you. Hit me up in the comments, give it a like, a subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining us today on DIY Not. I will see you next week. Bye.